Alright, so 2019 Altima changing the wiper blades because they're streaky. If you look under here, you got this little tab. Pull this little tab out and the blade should slide right out. Alright, for this side, just pop this up here and you just force this down and that comes off. Now we'll get the new ones. Alright, for these, you just pop up this little Rain-X. These are the Rain-X Quantum Elite windshield wipers. So you pop this bad boy up. You got your hook there. This goes up a little bit, you can see. So you slide the hook in there and just snap that in place. And then close it up. That one's done. We'll go to the other side. Alright, so other side. Pop open the Rain-X. Put this in here. Snap it in place. Close that up. And good to go. That's it.